Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this mermaid braids hacks in Dress to Impress. So if you get ready to roll the underwater runway, in this DTI tutorial, I'll show you how you can create the ultimate mermaid look with this magical mermaid braids that are giving total sequin vibes. So here I'm going to just there are four hair that you need to use for this one. The first one is this long braids hair, and you can change the color to whichever you like. I'm going to go with this brown color, and next one you need to put on this ponytail hair, this one, and use the bangs only. So to go, it's to only bangs, and don't forget to change the color. And next one, you need to use this this one straight here with the braids on it, and change the color again. And lastly, put on this one. So now the look is complete, and this is the mermaid hair with braids look. So guys, I hope you like this hair combos. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll catch you all on the next tutorials. Bye.